Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Gowthami. In this video we are going to learn some of the advanced English phrases in place of the routine ones. Okay, so in this video I am going to give you 50 sentences, the normal basic English sentence and the advanced English sentence. I'm going to repeat it twice so that the second time you are going to repeat along with me. Please focus on the pronunciation.
How are you? How have you been? How have you been? I am fine. I have been doing well, thanks. I have been doing well, thanks. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Goodbye. Take care or catch you later. Take care or catch you later. See you later. See you around. See you around. What's up? How's everything going? How's everything going? Long time no see. It's been ages since we last met. It's been ages since we last met. I am busy. I am swamped with work. I am swamped with work. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. I am sorry. My apologies. My apologies. Wait a moment. Bear with me a second. Bear with me a second. That's interesting. That's fascinating. That's fascinating. No problem. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Let's start. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's get the ball rolling. Don't worry. No need to stress. No need to stress. Please wait. Hold on a moment. Hold on a moment. Have a good day. Have a wonderful day ahead. Have a wonderful day ahead. Call me later. Give me a ring when you are free. Give me a ring when you are free. I understand. I get what you are saying. I get what you are saying. Be careful. Watch out. Watch out. Let's eat. Let's dig in. Let's dig in. Now let us see basic and advanced English sentences related to asking and giving information. Where is the bathroom? Could you point me to the restroom? Could you point me to the restroom? Can you help me? Could you give me a hand? Could you give me a hand? I don't understand. I am not following. I am not following. What do you mean? Could you clarify that? Could you clarify that?
With this, we have completed 25 normal and basic sentences. Which of these words till now did you find new to you? Please put them in the comments.
What do you do? What line of work are you in? What line of work are you in? What's wrong? What seems to be the issue? What seems to be the issue? What happened? Could you tell me what went on? Could you tell me what went on? What time is it? Do you have the time? Do you have the time? How much is this? What's the price on this? What's the price on this? Can I have this? Would it be possible to get this? Would it be possible to get this? Can I sit here? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? Can I pay by card? Do you accept card payments? Do you accept card payments? I don't like it. It's not my cup of tea. It's not my cup of tea. I like it. I'm really into it. I'm really into it. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. It's difficult. It's quite a challenge. It's quite a challenge. I agree. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. I disagree. I beg to differ. I beg to differ. You're right. You have got a point. You have got a point. You are wrong. I'm afraid that's incorrect. I'm afraid that's incorrect. Now let us see some basic and advanced sentences related to making requests and giving suggestions. Give me that. Could you pass me that? Could you pass me that? Tell me more. Could you elaborate? Could you elaborate? Come here. Could you come over for a moment? Could you come over for a moment? Sit down. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Let's go. Shall we? Shall we? Hurry up. Could you speed things up a bit? Could you speed things up a bit? Stop it. That's enough. That's enough. Be quiet. Keep it down, please. Keep it down, please. Don't do that. I would appreciate it if you didn't. I would appreciate it if you didn't. Listen to me. Hear me out. Hear me out. Calm down. Take it easy. Take it easy. Try again. Give it another shot. Give it another shot. Come with me. Tag along. Tag along. Look at this. Check this out. Check this out.
With this, we have completed 50 basic and advanced sentences. If you find this video useful, then please take a second to share it to your friends and family members and to community groups if you are in any. And not only that, please like the video so that it would be shareable to as many people as possible. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Meet you soon in the next video as soon as possible.